Peace, y'all. Hey, I'm Ivory. I'm back, and it's time to eat again. And today, I made some shrimp skewers, some yellow rice, sweet potatoes, and veggies. Y'all, my power keep flashing, and at this point, whatever lights stay on is the lights that stay on, okay? It's a real live hurricane out there, y'all. Oh, this is going to be a quick one. I promise it just picked up like this. I am thankful for this food. Even though it's a hurricane. I got yellow rice and peppers. I made a little dessert platter. Y'all. Oh my God. Girl. Ooh. I know my light's going out, y'all. But I think y'all can still see it. This is good. What are y'all eating tonight for the hurricane? If you are in the path, I think it's Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas, and Virginia. I think. I could be wrong. Because y'all know these storms, they're actually unpredictable. You can keep up with it, but it's hard to actually say what will happen next. It's good. Broccoli is good. My patio is on the other side right here. I got my door open, cracked just a little bit, just so we could listen. Y'all, I had no idea that this is what was going on outside. think we need wine. I'll drink some wine later. Mm. Y'all, it's a hurricane outside for real. Ooh, No. This week, I have seen 3 gray hairs in my head. I saw the first one right here, my edges. And today, I saw 2 more on this side. And it's like, it looks like new hair. Like they're the length of eyelashes. And I'm like, is it time now? Is it finally time? If you've already gotten into the platinum phase, let me know. Is it literally just gonna keep happening like damn near overnight? I thought it would just gradually happen over the years. But I'm like, at this rate, 3 in a week. And it really does not bother me at all, actually. It excites me. I just thought, it would be like another, I don't know, 5 or 10 years. Y'all hear my patio stuff blowing away. And I have a closed-in patio. There's just a couple things out there. I just wonder, like, do they like sprout in over the course of a few months? Is it gonna go away? Like, does gray hair come and go? Anyway, if you are in the southeast part of the United States, y'all be safe out here, okay? Take this time to get you some good rest. Because they canceled school in Florida for 2.5 days. Thursday, Friday, and they had a half day on Wednesday. And people off work. So if you are in the Southeast and you are off work for Helene or Helena, I like Helena. Anyway, get you some rest. Enjoy yourself. Because I think it's enjoyable. Like listening to the storm like this, y'all, I get a thrill out of this. I know some of y'all like, is she okay? Uh-oh, it sounds like a choo-choo train. Okay, well, y'all, hold on. Now, let me break down what I meant. I get a thrill out of it spiritually. And as a Pisces, storms excite me. Okay? Or maybe it's just me personally. But that's still, you know, I'm safe. That was good right there. Got my little dessert platter. I'll probably just eat a little piece. This is some flourless chocolate cake. And some mango slices. A couple strawberry slices. It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices. This is the 6th one here, the one that I'm having. But it's the cutest little cake, y'all. I got it from Publix. Oh, dang, come on now. Y'all. It's a jacuzzi on my patio. Some sandbags from last year's hurricane, actually. One of them hurricanes from last year. And also, it's something out there that's moving around. Oh, a table. It's a little table out there. But it's in the corner. The inside corner. But it's a couple rows of trees back there. Let me tell you, this sounds massive. I don't know if y'all can hear it the way I hear it. Oh. Oh, this is so good. If you're in the mood, if you made it this far in the video, can you please comment what you eating tonight? Y'all see my little hurricane meal. But whether you're in hurricane weather or not, I want to know what y'all eating. I do. Oh, this is so good. Anyway, I'm going to let y'all go because I got to try to edit this before the power really goes out for real. My best friend got a generator though. But that would only help me after the storm if just by chance the power is still out, which I doubt. Y'all,